Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. Today I'm live from Mrs. Gore's classroom, and we have 4 pledgers. Their names are
Sabrina, Naomi, Ethan, Giselle.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, face the U.S. flag, and we'll go ahead and do our pledges. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during the school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please tell a trusted adult. We continue to be a no place for hate school, so we
I promise
do my best.
to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. I will be a part of making my school no place for hate.
All right, today on the 3rd, we have one birthday. Happy birthday to Ian Rios Hurtado in kindergarten. We have a couple of announcements. Telepass for virtual students, 2nd and 3rd grade, listening and speaking, and writing sample number 5. We do have a Brighter Bites distribution today at 9 a.m. There is something provided by PTA for the staff. And if you have not completed it, we do have the COVID-19 family loss form. If you could please send that over to Mrs. Marsh. Also, a note with Brighter Bites, it's a first come, first serve. So once all of the families have been served, then we will call for faculty and staff. The Carriage Education theme for the month of March is respect. Our quote comes to us from R.J. Reish. Respect is a two-way street. If you want to get it, you've got to give it. All right, so it's something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.